Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today we're going to answer the question, are my Beats Studio 3 noise cancelling, and how do I turn on and off the noise cancelling feature? So let's get on to the video. Not a lot of people know that they can turn off the noise cancelling on their Beats Studio 3 headphones, and it can become very useful at times because it has a really major impact on the battery life. With noise cancelling, these headphones last 22 hours. Without them, they last 40 hours. So turning on and off the noise cancelling feature is going to be different for both the iPhone and the Android. And I'm going to start with the iPhone and let me show you the two ways you can turn them on and off. So the first way, you're going to go to settings and then you're going to click on Bluetooth. Once you're in Bluetooth, look for your headphones and click the additional info icon. Once you get into the additional info, you'll see noise control, and then in there you can click on and off for the noise cancelling. The second feature is by going to the notification center on your iPhone and long clicking the volume button for the headphones. Once you click it, it's going to open and you're going to see noise control, noise cancellation, and you'll be able to turn it on and off again. Now let's move on to Android. For Android phones, you're going to need the Beats app. If you don't have the app, stop the video right now and download it, and then I'll come back and show you how. Once you have the app, simply click in and go inside the app, and you'll see immediately as you open it, you'll see noise cancelling on and noise cancelling off. And that's pretty much it. If you're wondering how you can customize your headphones just like these, we're running a 30% off sale. Simply click here to get your coupon. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us or simply comment down below and we'll answer as soon as possible. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel as we release more content every month.